Here we have an old pizza oven that Mitko built many years ago back when he was still a young boy. As you can see, he was very proud of it. It's a great oven, but we barely use it, so we gave ourselves a challenge to use it all day today and see if it sparks a fire in our hearts to use it more often. For breakfast, I made very basic baguette sandwiches because I simply forgot to buy extra ingredients. Here we have some butter, cheese, tomato, and arugula that Idunse picked out for me earlier. Now let's put the sandwiches in the oven and see how they turn out. A few minutes later, and here we have a rather burnt breakfast.
Again? I think you like it.
I hope Idunse was not faking that reaction. Now it's time for the master chef Ida to take it away. She chose to make pulled pork with bagels. Here she is doing a wee bit of seasoning before covering the meat and leaving it to rest. Right after that, she started making the dough for the bagels. Don't really know what is going on here, but I'm sure she has it all under control.
All we got is bagel hands.
We fired up the old rusty cooker for Ida to sear the meat before putting it in the oven for 4 to 5 hours. For this, the oven should be around 150 degrees. While waiting, Ida's grandparents and her dad showed up. Yado went straight to sleep, Baba started bossing people, and Mitko decided to dig soil. Now back to the bagels.
I'm never cooking bread again.
Ida seems to be very enthusiastic about the dough. Great technique. With a bit of sprinkling magic, Ida's creation is starting to take shape.
It's not a bagel, it's a smigo.
They should be in the oven for around 40 minutes, but we lost track of time and they came out burnt. It's time for the big reveal. And oh my goodness, this is why I call Ida the master chef, even though half the time she looks confused while cooking.
He's joking, he's joking.
Put some.
Oh,
Don't use this.
A little bit.
don't use that sauce.
No.
Just give me some, I want some.
But this is not...
Give me that.
Now everybody sees how we're slobbering all over this. Now give me clean dishes.
What
Serious?
do you think?
That is really good. Oh my god. Holy shit.
So, you know, I make this one.
Everybody seemed to be really enjoying the food, apart from Baba, who is feeding Vulcho. Not going to lie, this made my blood boil. We are still not done here. Let me show you how I made a banana dessert. For a start, you'll need some bananas, dark rum, in my case it will be without it, butter, brown sugar, walnuts and cinnamon. To save the dish from being a disaster, add vanilla ice cream.
Just point the light here like this so we
You will eat.
Right, then we change over, alright? Don't worry.
It's really good. It's not a disaster.
Yeah, I'll change over.
Very good. I like it.
After today, we feel like the pizza oven has great potential and we are excited to continue using it and trying out new recipes. Hope you enjoyed watching and see you next time.